Hi friends, in the last session we have completed the concept called reduce function, and in the on the before session we have completed map function. Okay, these are related to what functions? Lambda functions. And the lambda function is nothing but an anonymous function. Lambda function is best choice for instant use, okay, one time usage. In that case we will go for lambda functions. Okay, lambda is going to provide three another functions. Just for example, those are filter function, map function, and reduce function, right? So now today we are going to discuss about function aliasing and nested function. Okay, function aliasing and nested functions. Friends, please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time, and if you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section. It gives me more encouragement for more videos on technical. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time. Okay, so today concept is nothing but function aliasing. Okay, function aliasing. So before to that I have to explain another concept is nothing but small concept. So in Python, okay, everything is an object. Okay, in Python I have told that in the earlier session everything is an object. So just like a function is also an object, everything is an object. Okay, in Python everything is an object. So that we, what we have to say, we using this one means in Python everything it's treated as object. Okay, in Python everything, okay, in Python everything is treated as a object only. Okay, in Python everything is treated as object only. Even function, okay, so even here function also, even here function also treated as a object only, treated as a object only. Even here function also treated as a object only. In here function also internally, okay, we can say internally treated as a object only. Okay, so observe here in Python everything we can say it is treated as object. Even here function also treated as a object only. Okay, even here function also it is treated as a object. Okay, so based on that, just observe one small example so that we can say function also internally it will treat as a object. So observe here I'm taking a example. I'm taking first one function. Okay, def function I'm declaring. I'm printing hello world. Okay, I'm printing hello world. I'm printing what message? Hello world. So when I'm printing hello world, now I'm calling that f1 function. Okay, I'm calling that f1 function. So observe here, I'm calling f1 function and print of f1. Okay, print of f1 and print of id of f1. Okay, in both cases we'll get the different output. Okay, f1 means first time we'll get a hello world. Next time f1 function, okay, next time f1 function means what will happen here? Okay, what will happen here? It will call the function. Okay, it will call the function and it will execute here. In the next case what I will do, just I will print f1 only. Okay, just I will print f1 only. Next what I will do here, I will print the id of f1. Okay, id of f1 means the address of this f1 function. Okay, I'm saying that function is also treated as object only, right? So when function also treated as object, so we can say this function will give an id. Okay, if you observe here first two cases we are getting hello world. Okay, in these two cases we are getting hello world. In the last case, okay, sorry, here first case we are getting hello world. In the second case it is calling the function and this f1 function is not having any return statement. Okay, this f1 state function is not having any return statement. Okay, please make sure just once go through the return statement where I have explained the return keyword. Okay, in the starting I have explained return keyword. So that's why here f1 function is calling, but f1 function is not returning anything. So in that case it is what happening, it is printing none here. Okay, next f1 function means just a function address. Okay, this is id. Okay, this is what id. So in that way it is happening that everything is treated as object only. Okay, by using this we can say that id, by using this we can say that everything we can say treated as a object only. Everything is treated as a object only, right? Everything is treated as object only, right? So next concept is nothing but a function aliasing. Okay, function aliasing. Okay, function aliasing. So function aliasing is nothing but what normally function a name will decide. So we can give another function name also. This is nothing but what function aliasing. So function aliasing also we can say that nickname of the function. Okay, for the existing function. Okay, for the existing function we can give, okay, we can give another name. Okay, for the existing function we can give another name, which is nothing but function aliasing. Okay, which is nothing but what function aliasing. For the existing function, okay, for the existing function we can give another name. Okay, for the existing function we can give another name, which is nothing but what function aliasing. Okay, which is nothing but what function aliasing. So how we can give function aliasing, just observe here. Okay, just observe here. Here I'm taking name. Okay, hello world, hello, hello, name, good morning, good morning, hello, good morning. So anyway, first I have declared the function name as a f1. So I'm taking this one as a greetings. Okay, I'm taking this one as a greetings is equal to f1. Greetings equals to f1. Now observe here in this case. Okay, in this case what happening means in this case what I'm doing means f1 function I'm calling one time. Okay, first time I'm calling f1 function, and the next time I'm calling greetings function. Next time I'm calling what greetings function. See, in both cases, okay, in both cases it will get the name. Okay, in both cases we'll get the output, but with respect to none also will get. Why? Because, okay, why? Because he, in the print function we are calling, so once it is completed, print has to print some information, but this def function is not returning anything this to this main function. Okay, this print function is not returning anything to this main function. Okay, so that's why once it is printing hello Sai good morning, next immediately it is printing that none. Okay, it is immediately it is printing what none. Okay, observe here. Next what I'm doing means print of print of id of f1. Okay, id of f1. Next same thing greetings. Okay, next same thing what greetings. Next same thing what greetings. Okay, next same thing what greetings. Okay, observe here. Hello Sai good morning immediately followed by none. So in the same way here also. And if you observe here last case, both are having 56288 56288. So by using we can say what everything is an object, and once you are giving the nickname to the function, so it will treat as, okay, it will treat as what, same function. Okay, it will treat as a same object only. Okay, it will treat as a same object only, right? So in the next what I will do, suppose I'm taking a def function. Okay, suppose I'm taking a def function. Okay, observe carefully. I'm taking def function. I'm taking here this one. So next what I will do here, what I will do here, what I will do here, observe carefully. Okay, observe carefully. F1 of, okay, F1 of Sai I'm printing. I'm taking Sai. In the same way, greetings. Okay, in the same way, greetings I'm taking. In the same way, greetings I'm taking. Sai. In the same way, next I'm taking what? Sai. So first function Sai and second function also Sai I'm calling. Next what I'm doing here, del of F1 function I'm deleting. Okay, def1 of F1 I'm deleting. After deleting also I'm trying to call the same function. Okay, after deleting also I'm trying to call the same function. Observe here what happens. Okay, in the two cases there is no any problem, but in the last case name error f1 is not defined. Okay, name error f1 is not defined. Why it is not defined means, you are deleting the f1 function, but even if you are deleting the f1 function, is it possible to call this function? Okay, is it possible to call this function? Okay, is it possible to call this function or not? Observe here. Yes, it is possible to call greetings function also, because greeting functions already, okay, greeting function already named. Okay, once if you deleted the name also, it is not required to worry, because already one is decided. Okay, already here one is decided, right? Here already one is decided. Clear, right? So observe here carefully, there is no anything. I let me explain one more time. I'm taking f1 function, and I'm taking some information in the function, inside the function. So I'm giving nickname to this function f1 equals to greetings. Okay, I'm giving this nickname to this function. Okay, I'm giving nickname to this function. I'm calling that function by using two names. Okay, I'm calling that function by using two names. After calling that function with two names, okay, after calling function with two names, I'm deleting that f1 function. Okay, I'm deleting that what, f1 function. Once I'm deleting that f1 function also, what I'm doing, I'm trying to call that f1 function. So it is not possible to call, because already f1 function is not defined. Okay, f1 function is not defined because you deleted that function. Okay, you deleted that function, right? So in that way it is not possible to call, right? So next greetings. By using greetings you can call, because you deleted the f1 function but here renamed with greetings. Even though f1 function is deleted, okay, even though if here f1 function is deleted, greetings function is not there, but greetings have the capability to access this f1 function. Okay, even though you deleted the f1 function here, okay, make sure, even though you are deleted f1 function here, greetings function you have given nickname. Okay, greetings you have given nickname, so this is have the capability to call this f1 function because of alias name. Okay, these greetings have capability to access this f1 function, so that's why here we are getting output. Even though we are deleting f1 function also, by using this we can access that f1 function. Okay, by using this we can access that name. Clear? In the next session, I'm going to explain a last concept in the functions concept is the nested functions. Okay, in the last concept is the nested functions. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you are watching my channel for the first time. Thank you friends. Please subscribe to my channel. It gives me more encouragement with respect to technical and data science and everywhere with respect to logicals also. Okay. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.